Okay, you do it. You do it.
What are you doing? Why don't you want to go in the snow, Abby? You're all dressed up for the snow.
Okay, where are you?
Candy right there.
Okay, there.
Mhm.
Okay, there.
Yeah.
Daddy.
See, she's right there. Go with her, Abby. She's walking around the snow. Say hi to the camera. Come look. Look over here. Having fun? Careful.
Okay, where's the Katie?
Mhm.
No.
Hmm? You wanna what? You wanna come inside now? Okay.